Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's LTC Mincy here coming at you with a brand new video for the first time in a long time. I know I've been going for a while, but I was really concentrating on something special here, which we got right here is QuantumFi Global, or you want to shorten it as QFi Global. This is a new banking ecosystem that's combining fiat and cryptocurrency service together like you've never seen before, and we're going to be offering things that you've never heard of before or seen before from any other financial institution in the world. So I am a pioneer, a partner, a co-founder of this banking ecosystem, and this is not an investment. This is an actual service-based platform. Okay. So before I get going, just know that I'm not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. Everything that you decide is going to be up to you to determine in the end, as it is your money. Okay, so now with that said, let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, I'm not going to go on read through everything because there's a lot of information. I'm going to try to get through this as fast as quickly as possible. But the one thing I am going to read word for word at the minimum is going to be this mission statement. QuantumFi Global LLC exists to reimagine financial freedom for all. Our mission is to create a more inclusive and connected world by offering transformative financial solutions that serve people, regardless of geography, status, or circumstance. We believe in the power of human potential, and we built a global ecosystem where individuals and communities can access, manage, and grow their wealth with confidence. Through empathy, innovation, and a commitment to justice, we empower the unbanked, support the underserved, and help every person reclaim their rightful place in the global community. Okay, now let's go on to this next page. So our core services, we have custom banking and card programs. We have a crypto and e-wallet service, or we have corporate payment solutions. So for those of you who have businesses, and right now just in the United States, you can also bring your business on board, and you can also use the merchant system that we have available. Okay. So now let's go ahead and move on to the next screen. So what we got here, we got staggering increase in virtual credit and debit card usage. You can click on this link right here. You can read about that, and you can understand why it is that QuantumFi Global was created. One of the reasons why QuantumFi Global was created. And you got e-wallet infrastructure is necessary in modern banking. Unbanked no longer left out, because you got a lot of people that don't trust the banking system, right? Because you don't have full control over your money. And what QuantumFi Global is doing is giving you back full control over your money and be able to make transfers, make deposits, wherever that you want to do, how you see fit. Okay. Then you got modern crypto solutions. So yes, we got the fiat and the cryptocurrency service together. You can link up your bank account. We got an international banking account on IBAN as well for you to create. So let's go ahead and get going right here. So I'm trying to make this short as possible. QFi Global secure charge versus a debit card. So we don't offer, well, QFi Global initially started as just trying to offer a card for you to be able to spend your money. And then what happened is it morphed into this huge ecosystem now, providing both fiat and cryptocurrency services. So what is the difference between our secure charge card versus the usual debit card that everyone gets from a bank or another financial institution? So secure charge card benefits: 100% approval with no credit checks. Builds credit reputation over time for certain locations, like in the United States. Flexible spending limits you control. Premium global rewards plan. Complete privacy, no credit bureau reporting. Hotel and car rental functionality guaranteed. And I've used my card and online, for example, and I had no issues not getting blocked anywhere. I've had another card for a long time now. I can't make purchases on Amazon. I can't even reserve a hotel room, and I had that issue. And I had to move funds around so I could pay for the hotel room. Not with QuantumFi Global. Okay? So you can have integrated crypto capabilities, instant money transfers between cards, global ATM access with premium rates, on and off toggle security controls. So you can lock your card up at a touch of a button from your account, which I'll do another video talking about all that. Then you got the standard debit card limitations. Approval depends on banking history. No credit building benefits. Limited to account balance only. Basic or no rewards program. Bank activity may be reported. Many hotels and rentals decline or place holds. No integrated cryptocurrency features. Transfers Often take 1 to 3 business days. Limited international access with high fees. No dual system security features. Okay, now let's get on to the next page. So you got the global banking network. We got global card issuance. We got multi-currency support. So yeah, USD, Great British Pound, Euro, and others. We got major card networks. So depending on where you are, you can get a Visa or MasterCard. But for the most part right now, everyone else has been getting a MasterCard. Okay. So security enhanced by blockchain as well. Okay. And let's go ahead and go on to the next one. So we got small or large business banking, multi-currency capabilities, support for 100 plus currencies with instant multi-currency accounts and minimum FX fees. So that's Forex fees. Merchant account services to accept debit, credit card, and crypto payments. Like I said, that's only available in the United States right now. Okay, for you businesses. So you got advanced e-wallet functionality, manage funds, transfer large volumes of currency globally, and integrate with crypto transactions seamlessly. Full API integration suite. Custom integration for businesses with white label capabilities for corporate clients. Secure banking infrastructure. Robust security protocols with seamless bank account linking across US, Canada, UK, and Europe and the EU. All right, let's go to the next page here. And so you got QuantumFi Global versus traditional neobanks. So what's offered with the traditional neobanks? They offer pooled or sub accounts with inherent risk. So what that means is that when you make a deposit, and let's say for example you go in there, you make a deposit for like $100,000 to your bank account. That money is put into a pool of funds, because what do the bank do? They take that money and they move it over into their trading platform, and they start trading your funds right away. And then when you try to go back a day, 2 days later, you try to withdraw that $100,000 or maybe even $50,000, they're gonna tell you that you got to create an appointment. You got to sign all these documents and everything like that, right? In order to get your money back out. And also, if something was to happen to that financial institution, your money is gone. Yes, you got FDA insurance in the United States or in some of these other countries as well to a certain amount, but not all your funds going to be recovered. All right. So let's continue on. Often rely on obscure or unstable banking partners. May hold client funds directly. Primarily consumer focused with limited services, restricted to domestic or regional offerings. Slow transfer times with high fees. Only offer branded services. Many still embedded or limited deployment. QuantumFi Global advantage. True dedicated bank accounts under client's name, direct connections to tier 1 global banks, dual ledger plus blockchain security for protection, not in the flow of funds, clients maintain control. That'll be you, that'll be me, right? Enterprise level BaaS with multi-currency options, global onboarding across 190 plus countries, closed loop ecosystem for instant transfers, white label capabilities, and robust API integration. Proven scale, billions and monthly transactions. Okay, so now let's continue on. We got OTC license advantage as well. So there's a lot of people that would like to have instant access to be able to transfer funds or buy crypto or whatever the case may be, right? So let's say that you want to come in on QuantumFi Global and you want to buy like $100,000 or maybe even $1 million or $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. You'll be able to do that here with QuantumFi Global in an instant. Okay, very low fees as well. Okay, so everything that you need is going to be right here at QuantumFi Global, and that's what we try to do. And we partner up with liquidity partners or tier 1 banks across the world. So they're the ones that's handling the funds. Well, you know, QuantumFi Global don't hold the funds. It's going to be with those tier 1 banks. Okay, so those going to be such as like Banco de Mexico, JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, and the list goes on. Okay, those type of banks that we're partnered up with to be able to handle liquidity for us. Okay, and there's a soft KYC that you need to go through as well. Okay, now let's continue on. That remittance. So how many of you participate in global remittances or international transfers of funds around the globe? I do it every single month. Okay, and this right here is a $1 trillion or $1 billion industry. You know, when you combine both crypto and fiat together, it's a $1 trillion industry, and that's what QuantumFi Global is involved in right now. Okay, so have you ever had the problem to where let's say for example you're in Canada, you know someone that you care about that's over in Asia, and it's probably in the middle of the night where you're at, And just like, I gotta get up out of my bed, I gotta go find a Western Union or a MoneyGram location to be able to send the funds. And when you go there, they ask you all of these questions every single time, no matter if you're a repeat customer at that same store location or not. They're going to have you fill out these documents. They're going to have you present identification, all that other type of stuff, right? Well, once you do your KYC with QuantumFi Global, if you need to send funds, you can be able to send that without having to provide all that documentation ever again, because you already verified. All right, and it's going to be done fast right from your phone, your computer at home. You don't have to worry about going out and about trying to find a MoneyGram or Western Union location. That's what it is that we're able to participate in here. Okay, now let's continue on. So technology support and QuantumFi Global, end-to-end process and complete payment processing from initiation to settlement, compliance management, integrated tools for risk assessment and regulatory compliance. Integration solutions, seamless connections with existing business systems. Like I said, well, all we did was get the system and we connected it to the people who's already been in business for years. So QuantumFi Global itself is a new name, but our executive team, they're not new to the game. They got 20 plus years across multiple industries to be able to get this together and present it to everyone to be able to take advantage of for the most part across the globe. Okay. So you got customizable ecosystems, flexible payment architectures tailored to business requirements. Okay, you can also do direct deposits from your job into your own banking system here, because like I said, your own. When you become when you create an account with a QuantumFi Global, this becomes your bank as well. This is the reason why QuantumFi Global was created, to give power back to all of us. Okay, now let's continue on. You got compliance and security. So you got security transaction infrastructure, advanced risk management, regulatory compliance, and comprehensive KYB or KYC. And you know, people gonna be like, oh, I don't want to do KYC. Well, that's the requirement, so that way we can make sure you are who you say you are, and also for the liquidity partners or the tier 1 banks to be able to help you create an international bank account number, and you be able to send funds how you see fit. And we also need to make sure that you're not someone illegal or, you know, with a criminal background wanted by the FBI or wherever the case may be. So we do that KYC to eliminate the security risk that can also end up getting QuantumFi Global in a lot of trouble. Okay, so that's the reason why the KYC is there. Now, continue on. Future vision, expanded banking services, technology enhancement, next generation payments, financial innovation. Okay. Now let's continue on right here for the last on screen right here. He's, like I said, 20 plus years experience. That's what the executive team, and I have a direct communication with the executive team. And I'm not talking about, oh, just in Telegram. No. I've got direct communication with them on Facebook. I got direct communication with them on WhatsApp as well. You know, so, and you know, I can just ask a question and they'll get back to me. They're busy with doing a whole lot of things as we about to do this global launch tonight actually, and you want to pay attention to that global launch call if you're able to participate in that. Okay, so you got global partner network and pioneering modern banking. All right, so now for the next part. This right here is going to be the affiliate side of things. Yes, we have an affiliate program as well, and there is no guarantee of any type of financial income from the affiliate program, but we're going to offer the opportunity for you to be able to earn additional income for you becoming an affiliate of QuantumFi Global. Okay, so it is just a 3-tiered structure. That's it. We don't want this to become an MLM, but we want to reward you at the same time. So we're excited to share our innovative approach to word of mouth marketing and explain how you can benefit from our generous reward structure. Our program is designed to recognize and compensate those who believe in our vision and help us expand our reach. With our 3-tier affiliate structure and bonus pool rewards, which I'll talk about later, we've created multiple income streams for our marketing partners. Let's explore how you can turn your network influence into substantial earnings through our carefully designed affiliate program. All right, so this is when it really gets interesting when I say we're giving the power back to you, because what you're about to hear in this part right here, no financial institution, bank in the world is doing what QuantumFi Global is doing. All right, let's get to the next one. So, no guaranteed income. QuantumFi does not guarantee The specific monthly earnings, the illustrated examples are not promises of actual results, which may vary significantly based on numerous factors. This is not passive income. This is not an investment or staking product. Monthly rewards require a consistent platform activity and meeting all qualification requirements. Inactivity results in zero earnings for that month, and I will go over that. So variable factors. Your actual earnings depend on multiple variables, including your selected tier, monthly activity levels, number of other qualified participants, and total global platform revenue generated. It is important to understand that this rewards program is activity-based rather than investment-based. Your consistent platform usage and adherence to qualification requirements directly impact your earning potential. Performance drives results. Okay? So let's get to the next one. So you got the 3-tier level. Your first level, when you refer someone, you get 30% of that payment. Okay, that purchase. Then on your second level, you get 10%. Then on your third level, you get 5%. Okay, and like I said, it's only 3 levels deep. That's it. All right. So I'm not going to explain it. You understand that? You can see it clearly. Let's go ahead and keep on going. So these are the 3 signature service packages that we're offering right out the gate, and we're going to have some more to come later on down the line once the executive team is able to figure out what they're going to be able to offer for those exclusive packages to make it worthwhile, more than what is going to be the obvious thing, outside the obvious thing, which I'll go over later on. So we got the Quantum Nexus, we got the Quantum Prime, and the Quantum Elite. Okay, and so the Quantum Nexus, smart, secure, seamless, a robust everyday banking solution for individuals seeking global access with secure digital infrastructure. So what you get here, you're going to get on all of them, and you're going to have a little bit extra added bonus for the rest of them. Okay, so you get e-wallet with instant access to funds, dedicated IBAN or international bank account number, integrated crypto trading platform, virtual and physical charge cards. So this is going to be a plastic card. Okay, and then you better get a virtual card as well. You get daily load limit up to $50,000 per day. Okay, so and this is a one-time setup fee of $200. Now you probably seen some other card programs out there. Just the basic one that we're offering here, this right here, they probably charging like $10,000 to buy that card, right? We're offering $200 one time. Okay, and you get the Quantum Prime, power banking with prestige and performance, built for high performance individuals and global professionals. E-wallet for fiat and crypto, dedicated IBAN, crypto trading platform, virtual card, and a premium metal card. Which I have mine on the way right now. It's just in the mail system coming from the United States, and the cards are shipped from the United States, by the way. They were shipped with FedEx, DHL, UPS, so whichever one is best for them to use, that's what they're going to use to get the card to you from the United States, because the main banking partner is located in the United States. All right. So unlimited daily loads up to $100,000 per transaction. So let's say that you want to deposit $500,000 inside of your account, or you want to load your card up with $500,000. You can do $100,000 at a time, and 5 transactions, and you're good to go. Okay, so you got the ability to qualify for the 10% rewards pool. This is something that is not here with the Quantum Nexus, and that's something I'm gonna go over later on. So you got the Quantum Elite. So the ultimate tier for financial freedom, a comprehensive suite for elite clients demanding maximum flexibility, performance, and rewards. Full service e-wallet, dedicated IBAN, crypto trading platform, virtual card, and elite metal card. Unlimited daily loads up to $100,000 per transaction. Ability to qualify for the 20% rewards pool. This right here is a one-time setup fee of $1,000, and the Quantum Prime is a one-time setup fee of $500. Okay, one-time setup fee, $500. And so now let's go down here. I want to make sure I read over all this right here. So affiliate back office monthly maintenance. So we got a monthly maintenance for the affiliate back office. Okay, so if you want to become an affiliate and you want to promote QuantumFi Global as well, just be aware of this. Following the complimentary 30-day preview of our back office and e-wallet services, all SSP owners or signature service package owners will automatically be charged a $15 monthly affiliate back office or e-wallet maintenance fee. This fee will be deducted directly from the e-wallet balance held within the system. It will never take your account into negative. Please note, non-payment or account inactivity exceeding 30 days may result in service limitations or account restrictions. For full details, please refer to the fee agreement and terms and conditions. All right. So I just want to go over that. Now you got the direct rewards breakdown. This right here just explains what the payouts would be for each level for bringing in people and your people bringing in people as well. All right. Not going to spend a whole lot of time there. You can pause the video and look at that yourself. All right. So rewarding your activity. QuantumFi Global's revolutionary rewards program, where your platform activity translates directly into significant earnings potential. Our unique system contributes 30% of all global affiliate transaction fees to a monthly rewards pool, creating substantial opportunities for active members. So tell me, what banking or financial institution is taking 30% of all global transaction fees, not just from what you're doing, but from what everyone is doing in the ecosystem, and giving it back to you? This is what QuantumFi Global is doing. All right. And so in this presentation, we'll break down how our reward system works, qualification requirements, and the potential earnings based on different revenue scenarios. Discover how using your signature service package regularly can create a meaningful revenue stream without traditional recruitment requirements. All right. Let's get to the next page. So this right here is going to break it down for you. Okay. So we have the different signature service packages that can participate. The one that cannot participate is the Quantum Nexus. So if you get the basic SSP, you for $200, you will not be able to participate in the global rewards pool. Okay, so you got to come in with at least at a Quantum Prime or or higher. Okay, so now let's go ahead and to go over this. QuantumFi Global contributes a generous 30% of global fee revenue from affiliate platform transactions. Here is an example using the company generating a conservative $2 million in affiliate fee revenue. The pool percentage breakdown of the $600,000, which is the company 30% allocation. All right, so now let's scroll down a little bit more. So right here, combined pools represent $600,000 pool bonus distributed according to qualification criteria. So for the prime pool, $60,000 will be allocated out of that $600,000 because that'd be 10%. So 10% of $600,000 in this example will be shared with qualifying Prime members. So if you come in as a Quantum Prime member or affiliate at the SSP, then you'll be able to participate in this global bonus pool. We're not saying that this is what it's going to be. This can be lower, this can be higher, it can be wherever, right? It can fluctuate. And it depends on how many people are in those pools. It's going to determine what the payout would be amongst everyone in that pool. Okay. Then you got the elite pool, which is 20% of $600,000. In this example, we share it with qualifying elite members, which would be, in this example, $120,000, because that's 20% of $600,000 is $120,000. So this right here is the $500 SSP. This is the $1,000 SSP. This right here is going to be coming in the future. These two down at the bottom. So this right here, the Pinnacle Pool, is a $10,000 entry. And like I said, they're working on what they're going to add in these servers on these SSPs here to make it worthwhile, rather than just the obvious thing, which is the bonus payout for the pools. All right. So the Pinnacle Pool is going to get 30% of the $600,000, which will be $180,000. Then you got Diamond Pool, which is a $20,000 purchase. That'd be 40% of $600,000, which will give you $240,000 for everyone in that pool. Not what you're going to get is going to be shared. $240,000 is going to be shared for those people. $120,000 is going to be shared. So if you got, let's say 500 people, in the elite pool, then you're taking $120,000 divided by 500. That's going to be your share amount. Okay. Now let's continue on. So revenue growth potential. As QuantumFi Global's platform adoption increases, the rewards pool expands proportionally. At $10 million in monthly platform revenue, the 30% allocation creates a $3 million rewards pool. So, in the prior example, you saw $600,000. This right here is like, if it's $10 million in monthly platform revenue, 30% will be $3 million here in this example. This quintuples into to an impressive $7.5 million monthly rewards pool when platform revenue reaches $25 million. This scalable model ensures that member rewards grow alongside platform success, creating an alignment between member activity and company growth. The more the platform is utilized globally, the greater the rewards for all qualified participants. And you probably wonder, how do you qualify? Okay, let's go ahead and get to that. here after this message right here. So QuantumFi Global is the future of finance. So the digital payments market is projected to see $3 trillion by 2028, with traditional providers capturing billions in fees. QuantumFi Global strategically positions itself within a massive flow of transaction fees, redirecting value back to users instead of extracting it. So ask yourself, which financial platform intercepts the excessive transaction fees, typically 2 to 3% of every digital payment, and returns them to the community? Who captures the same revenue streams as traditional banks but gives 30% back to users? Which service has positioned itself in the flow of billions in transaction fees and offers a better experience while giving a portion of those fees back? Where else can you find a financial ecosystem that redirects the industry's notorious account maintenance fees directly into user benefits? Let's go down a little more. What other platform has positioned itself to transform banking's profit model? $250 plus billion in annual fees into a community-focused reward structure. While the digital wallet market expands at 27% annually, QuantumFi Global uniquely positions itself to intercept these growing transaction fees and redirect them to users instead of shareholders. Alright, so I forgot to go over this, and I'm going to add this somewhere in the middle of the video or towards the end of the video. This is our actual global launch right here, starting tonight. If you bring in 15 direct members for the Quantum Nexus SSP, you will get a $500 USDT fast start bonus on top of everything else that we're already offering. Then if you bring in 15 direct Quantum Prime SSP owners, you will get a $1,000 USDT bonus. If you bring in 15 direct Quantum Elite SSP owners, you'll get a $2,000 USDT bonus. The best thing about this is that it does not matter where you rank that. If you are coming as the Nexus and you bring in 15 elite members directly, you will get a $2,000 USDT bonus still. It does not matter if you're at the Nexus or the Prime and someone else come in at a higher package than you do. Okay? So that right there is the additional qualification or launch promo that we're doing right now. All right, so there you have it. All right. Now let's go ahead and go to the next page here. So this is how to qualify. Simply, first one, activate a package. So you purchase a package to whether a Quantum Elite or higher to be able to qualify for the global bonus pool. Second step, platform transactions. So you successfully perform 5 plus qualified transactions, including card loading, e-wallet transfers, crypto to fiat transfers, card-to-card transfers, and peer-to-peer transfers. If you do that 5 times, throughout the month, that right there's another step towards qualifying. Then the final, card usage. You've completed 20 plus card swipes through online purchases and in-store terminal transactions. Maximize your qualification status. On average, a person uses their card 40 times per month. We cut it in half and said 20. Notice that we did not say a dollar amount here. We did not say you got to spend this amount of money, you need to transfer this amount of money. No, we just made it simple. Complete 5 plus first activate a package, a minimum for Quantum Elite, do 5 plus platform transactions, and do 20 plus card usages. Whether you go into the ATM, you go into the gas station, you can pay for gas with this card as well. Restaurant, making online payment. I use my card to pay for a cruise online as well. So this thing actually works. So let's continue on. Rewards payment structure is going to be paid out monthly in USDT. It's not a made up crypto or anything like that. We're using an established stablecoin to be able to pay out the rewards. We don't have our own cryptocurrency. We don't believe in doing that. Okay. It's going to be qualification based, and it's going to have an evolving structure. Okay. Let's keep on going here. Risk and compliance considerations. So QuantumFi Global maintains strict compliance standards to ensure long-term program sustainability. By participating, you acknowledge these risk factors and agree to adapt to evolving platform policies as the regulatory landscape continues to develop. So inactivity consequences vary to meet monthly requirements results in zero earnings for that period. Policy violations, misuse, fraud, or violations can result in temporary suspension or permanent removal from the program. So when you're going out here and you're talking about QuantumFi Global, do not falsify things. Do not say that this is guaranteed income or anything like that. You will be removed out of the system, okay? So regulatory adaptation. Platform rules may evolve to maintain compliance with emerging regulations and operational requirements. Tax responsibility. Members are responsible for their own tax reporting based on their jurisdiction's requirements. QuantumFi Global, we do not report you to any of the agencies or authorities around the globe. That is going to be up to you to do, once you're getting involved, and, let's say that you are able to generate a nice income and be able to make investments outside of QuantumFi Global in the real world to help other people, right? Then that's going to be your responsibility to report your tax income, okay? Let's go ahead and continue on here. I'm almost finished. So getting started. 1. Join our affiliate program. 2. Build your network. 3. Earn tier commissions. 4. Qualify for monthly residuals. Okay, there's no hype here. Just straightforward, generous compensation plan designed to reward your marketing efforts. With our attractive commission rates and the potential for both immediate earnings and residual income, our affiliate program offers a compelling opportunity for serious marketers. Join us today and turn your influence into income. Our team is ready to support your success with comprehensive training materials, marketing resources, and personalized guidance to help you maximize your earnings. Click on the link sent to you by one of our affiliates and scroll down to the affiliates, and be sure on the registration page it says the name of the person who referred you. Okay, now let's go ahead and get down to the next page here. So now we're going to get to another offer. So the Quantum Ranks Reach for Zenith. Unlock extraordinary rewards as you climb the ranks of our elite recognition program. Your business building efforts lead to prestigious status and substantial bonuses. So if you're able to get to the Quantum Titan, that means you generate $100,000 direct volume on your front line. That will be a 10,000 USDT bonus. If you get to the Quantum Oracle, you're going to help 5 frontline directs reach Quantum Titan, which will give you a 50,000 USDT bonus. And then if you get to Quantum Zenith, you help you have 3 frontline directs reach Quantum Oracle, which will give you a $100,000 USDT bonus. Each rank represents not just financial achievement, but your growing influence in the QuantumFi ecosystem. Your success creates a powerful ripple effect, transforming both your income and leadership position. We already got corporations, Fortune 500 companies, and businesses all around the world that's already partnering up with QuantumFi Global. What makes you think that we're not going to have this kind of success? Okay, they've been looking for something like this for a long time, and we finally put it together. So your path to QuantumFi success, consistent activity, that's all we're asking for. Consistent activity, help QuantumFi continue to grow, and adopt the QuantumFi culture. So let's say that you use your debit card from your bank to make online payments for your bills, buying things online. Instead of using your debit card from the bank, use QuantumFi's virtual card, physical secured charge card as well, to be able to take care of all those type of purchases and reward yourself by participating as well in the global bonus pools, as long as you are a member of a Quantum Prime member. Okay, so that right there is pretty much all that I have to talk about in this video. I will do another video showing you the back office and the banking system as well. So if you like what you heard and saw, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to share this video with other people. I will be having my sharing my link down in the description of this page, so you'll be able to come right to my link tree page here, and you'll be able to see the QuantumFi Global. Okay, and you better click on that, and you'll be able to go ahead and start the process of signing up. I will be doing another video showing you that affiliate, back office, and the actual banking system shortly. Okay, that's all to say. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time in this video. Take care, everyone.